Alan and I are getting ready to have our annual Super Bowl party. It's always so much fun having our friends over and cooking really great food on the smoker grill and making some desserts and side dishes. We always have such a really fun time, and I'm so glad you're here. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. The outdoor kitchen is set up and ready to get smoking and cooking for the Super Bowl party. I can't wait to have all of the food done. It already smells so good. It's time to get ready for the big Super Bowl party. First of all, we need to get all of our seasonings and sauces ready. Everything's here for all of the meat that's going to be cooked and smoked today. It is time to start getting the food on the smoker grill. I baked my favorite Blondie recipe. I'll have the recipe listed below if you'd like to make these Blondies too. They're absolutely delicious. I am getting ready for the Super Bowl game. I'm so excited. I love football and football parties. And I'm gonna cut these skewers with these little clippers here. And I'm gonna make some little flags and little decorations for the food. These are the skewers cut in half. And here's how the little flags turned out. They'll be perfect to put on our food display. In the breakfast area of my kitchen, I have a really long, heavy-duty table set up, and this will be perfect to put all the food on. This tablecloth is from Hobby Lobby. I have my dining room all set up for game day. I have a sage green soft cotton tablecloth, and then I put this cotton table runner from Kohl's on the middle of the table. I always set out plenty of extra napkins when I'm serving barbecue. Candied bacon with green chilies and brown sugar and little spices will be a wonderful addition to the barbecue party for the Super Bowl. I'm going to make a wonderful corn dish. This is one of the recipes I love making whenever I have company for a big barbecue. Alan roasted this corn for me out on the griddle, and he even roasted the green chilies that are in it. These are from his garden. He actually grew these himself. This corn casserole is so good. I'm going to put a little bit of hot sauce in, and I'll have the full recipe listed below so that you can make this. I've been making this for many years. And I'm going to add in a block of softened cream cheese. I'm going to add in 1 cup of softened butter, 2 sticks. And now I'll put in a cup of cheddar cheese. I'm going to also be making some homemade macaroni and cheese. I put a few simple decorations in the kitchen. This is how my food table's coming along. The extra cutouts will be right here on the table. And I have all the sauces and seasonings, some decorative footballs, and some flags. We're gonna mix the cheesy queso Velveeta dip right in with the macaroni and cheese. It's such a beautiful sunny day, and we have all of the smokers going. You can see that smoke rolling out. Everything's really smelling delicious. There's that wonderful candied bacon on the top rack there. I always love sending treat bags home with my guests when they come over for dinner or for a party. I have these treat bags ready to go for when they go home. Our friends just went home from the Super Bowl party. It was so much fun. We all really enjoyed all of the good food, all of the barbecue, and all of the delicious desserts. And we had such a fun time sitting around and watching the game and just hanging out and visiting together. I'm so glad you're here, and I would really appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.